Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smiles. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we'll see in this video modern girls bob with pink haircuts ideas. Public and attractive, you will see in this videos 40 plus neon stylish girls bob with pink haircuts ideas in 2023. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections. Do you have new ideas of neon, modern, different haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section to tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring beautiful different haircuts ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring you all beautiful bob with pink haircuts designs. I have uploaded stylish different haircuts, one-sided pose bob haircuts, back bob haircuts and floating bob haircuts designs. So you will see the all stylish haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, please visit my YouTube channel. Check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern different bob haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring you all modern girls bob haircuts ideas. Long layers and short layers, short bob haircuts, short monotop layers, modern haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique different haircut designs. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah.